guys, welcome to the next tutorial of React.js. In this tutorial we are going to see how to create the first application using React.js, and continuing from the last application we have already seen that npx create react app space the name of your application. This is the command to create your new application, right? So if you are new to this tutorial, then you can open the command prompt and you can just enter this command, that is npx space create react app and space the name of your application. It can be anything, my app or demo app or anything, right? So this process will start and it will take some time. It will install all of the dependencies and it will create a complete folder structure. So you can see this, at least it will take 5 to 10 minutes depending upon the speed of your processor, right? And at the end this will appear like happy hacking, right? So you can just press enter, and after that you have to change the directory to that created folder. So using this my app, so the name of my application is my app, so I'll just enter it, and if I open the Explorer, there I can see the my app folder. So these many files are created, right? So you can find out node modules are there, public folder is there, right? Everything is automatically generated and you can directly run this application. And to run the application, the command is npm start. Just you need to enter it, so it will compile all of these files. Now you have to just minimize the command prompt and open the VS Code. Once you open the VS Code, you have to import that folder using this option open folder. So just select this, and inside your exact directory you have to go. So I have created in this folder, so this is my application folder. I just have to select this and it will open the complete application. So this is a node modules folder, this is a public folder, this is the src, that is a main source code folder, and this is get file package log.json is there, package.json is also there. So just open the index.html which is present inside the public folder, right? You can check if your application is completely compiled. Once it is compiled, it will automatically open the browser with this default port, that is localhost :3000. Just you have to wait for some seconds and it will render the first page. So this is the index.html, which is the first file that gets compiled. So you just have to wait for some few seconds, and after that so this is the index.html that gets compiled at the first time, and this is present inside the public folder. If you go inside src, then index.js is the second file, and after that app.js is the root container which is present. So this is how the first page appears, and you can check the command prompt here. It says localhost :3000. You can view the my app in the browser, and this message appears compiled successfully. Alright, so this is the first application that we created just now. So just try it out. If you face any difficulty, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you.